Hi.
It's nice meeting you, Crystal.
Me too.
Okay, you seem so happy today, Crystal.
I am often happy.
Oh, wow, that's a good news. Oh, what's your secret?
Huh?
Can you share? Can you
Ah,
share it with me?
yeah, yeah. I'm really forgetful.
Okay, so if you're really forgetful,
Mm,
so that helps with how happy you are today.
yes.
Oh,
Mm, mm,
okay, can you explain more about it?
mm.
Mhm.
If I hurt, then I care about. I cure
Mhm.
it,
Mhm.
and I
Mhm.
forget it.
Ah. Wow. Okay. So wow, that's really nice. Yeah, right? So if you came from a very painful situation, then you try to forget everything
Yeah.
so that you will be happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. I have to take note of that, Crystal, because I wanted to be as pretty as you. Yeah, because you always smile. Yeah.
Ah.
And your face looks bright. Yeah. Okay, so well, how was your weekend?
Mm, it was normal. Actually, I had no
Hmm.
special happening in weekend
Okay.
because I'm on a vacation and I have nothing to do nowadays. So I
Uh-huh.
study. I
Uh-huh.
watch Modern Family again and again to study English.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I guess that is one way for you to relax because I think
Yeah.
school days is coming again, right?
Ah, yeah. Ooh, terrible. Ooh.
Okay, so you have to really enjoy your weekend, okay? I
Yes.
mean, your vacation, not weekend.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so your book is vowels,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. What lesson are you in now?
Uh, oh yeah.
Is
Actual
this
practice.
actual practice?
Sentence practice.
Ah, that's one. Okay.
Number 5.
Okay, number five. All right. So
Yep.
please wait.
Yep.
Okay, so there you go. I will try to make it bigger.
Yeah.
All right, there
Oh.
you are.
Yeah.
Okay, number five, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's try to do number five. Okay. Can you give me all the words that has
Yeah.
the a? Okay. Okay. The
Yeah.
Okay. The
Yeah.
sound. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Other
So
word.
which words? Yes, the short Okay. The words that has that sound.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
Here.
Okay.
Yeah. Came to the lab and took a nap.
Oh, sorry.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Some mhm
And
Okay. Can
and
you okay.
huh?
And
And
oh, what do you think so?
oh, I think this is air.
Is that F?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay.
I
Yes, it
don't know.
is. Okay. And
And
it has it actually has two sound. So sometimes it is a schwa sound
yeah.
or it depends on how it's used. So sometimes they
Oh.
would pronounce it and
Oh.
depending on the word that it follows, okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right, okay.
Then how about in this sentence?
It is a.
Air. Oh.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you're right.
Yay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So,
Yep.
can you please read all the words with the a sound?
Another sentence?
No, no, I mean the words. You just read the words.
Okay.
Mhm.
Mad. Man.
Mhm.
Hat.
Okay.
Lab.
Okay.
And.
Okay.
Nap.
Very good.
Ah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yay.
Yay.
All right. So for now, let's try reading the whole sentence.
Yep,
Okay?
yep,
Okay, let's do.
yep. A madman wearing a hat came to the lab and took a nap.
Very good.
Oh.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Ah.
Yes. Okay. I'm really happy to hear that. Okay. So we can go now to the next number. That's number 6.
Yep.
So which has the short A sound?
Oh, Jack.
Mhm.
Jack. I'm not sure, but this one
Mhm.
album was banned because he simply banged and
Mhm.
slammed on the piano, piano, piano,
Mhm.
piano, and called it jazz. Huh?
Okay. Okay. Are you sure?
Oh no, I'm not sure. Ah, ah, ah. And, uh, and, oh, I'm not sure about Jack.
Okay.
Jack? Jack? Jack?
Okay. Yes.
Jack?
Yes, that's correct.
Ah,
Jack.
really? Oh,
You will
Jack.
not say Jack.
Jack.
Jack. Right?
Yeah.
It's a little bit awkward, so it's Jack.
Jack.
Okay. Okay,
Oh.
so please read all the words that
Yeah.
you underlined.
Yep.
Mhm.
Jack.
Mhm.
Album.
Okay.
Band.
Mhm.
Banged.
Okay.
And.
Mhm.
Slammed.
Mhm.
Piano.
Okay.
Jazz.
Okay, that's piano. Okay.
Piano.
Yeah. So
Piano.
the sound of the last syllable is O.
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
It's O.
Oh.
That's why it's piano.
Piano.
Okay, yeah, very good. All right. So please read the whole sentence now.
Yep. Jack's album was banned because he simply banged and slammed on the piano, piano,
No. Very
piano, and called it jazz.
okay. All right. So please try to read these two words again.
Jack
The one that I marked. Okay, Jack.
slammed,
Okay, slammed. Okay.
slammed.
Okay. All right. Okay. So let's. Okay. Please
Yeah.
read these words again. I
Huh?
mean a sentence.
Ah, okay.
Mhm.
Jack's album was banned because he simply banged and slammed on the piano,
Piano. Mhm.
piano, and called it jazz.
Okay. Very good.
Oh, difficult.
Wow.
Ah,
Okay, so
difficult.
I guess this sound is easy for you.
Eh?
What was like from the previous sounds that you have learned, which do you think is the hardest?
I think this vowel.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't
Difficult.
notice that because you were able to read it correctly.
Yeah. But I'm not sure.
Okay, so you will know when you get the result, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so how about number 7? Okay, so which word has that sound?
Cran packed me a fat ham sandwich with apple jam and cranberry juice for lunch. Ah!
Okay.
Oh my
There's
god.
one more.
And
Okay,
ah,
good. Okay, so
ah,
please read all the words.
yep.
Okay.
Gran, packed,
Mhm.
fat,
Mhm.
ham, sandwich,
Mhm.
apple, jam, and cranberry.
Okay, very good. All right,
Oh,
so please read the whole sentence now.
yep. Gran, Gran packed, huh? Gran packed me a fat ham sandwich with apple jam and cranberry juice for lunch.
Okay, so this is a perfect practice for you, right?
Yeah, wow. Oh,
Okay, yes,
oh,
this is really
oh,
nice.
wow,
Okay.
wow.
Because you keep saying ow, ow,
uh,
ow,
uh.
ow, ow. Okay,
Yeah,
one more
yeah.
for this number.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, one more?
One more?
Yes, please read it one more time.
Ah, ah, ah.
Uh-huh.
Gran packed me a fat ham sandwich with apple jam and cranberry juice for lunch.
Very good.
Oh.
Okay. Yay, success. Okay. All right, so let's do number 8.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Haha.
Mhm.
Bad. Bad man.
Okay.
Smashed his bad mobile with a massive baseball bat when cat woman 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 man woman I think it's not it's not
Mhm.
man slapped him.
Okay, very good.
Mm.
Yeah, that's not cat woman.
Mm.
No. Woman, right?
Woman, yeah,
Woman.
woman.
Okay. All right, so please read all the words with the a sound.
Yeah,
Sound. Mhm.
yeah. Bat. Bat. Batman
Mhm.
smashed. Bat mobile. Massive. Bat. Catwoman. Slapped.
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 Okay.
Oh,
Okay, so please try reading the whole sentence now.
yeah. Batman smashed his own Batmobile with a massive baseball bat when Catwoman slapped him.
Oh, ouch.
Ah!
Right.
Yeah.
So, Batman was slapped by Catwoman.
Oh,
Okay.
bat.
All right, very good. Okay, so
Oh.
that's oh, you did it with flying colors. Congratulations. Okay. All right, so this is going to be your record homework.
Ah,
Okay, this is
really?
going to be used in your recording, right?
Ah, yeah.
So can you try reading this part one more time?
Yep,
Okay.
yep. A madman wearing a hat came to the lab and took a nap.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay. So I guess you're ready to record this sentence today so that you
Yeah.
will get the result tomorrow. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. All right. Okay. So do you do this one? I usually let my students use these words in their sentences. Do you
Oh.
want to do it?
Can I skip it out?
Okay.
Uh,
All right. So I will allow you to skip making sentences. However, I will let you read all the words first,
yeah.
okay?
Yep.
Before I set you free.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So please read number 1.
Yep. Bad.
Mhm.
Man.
Good. Number 2.
Dad. Pen.
Okay. Very good. Number 3.
Van.
Mhm.
Band.
Very good. Number 4.
Oh. Uh. Aloe. Huh?
Okay. Aloe. Okay.
Aloe.
Yes. Okay, so
Oh.
that is some kind of herbal plant.
Yes.
Yes,
Cream.
it's a tropical. Yes,
Mm.
it's a tropical plant. Okay, how
Uh.
about the next word?
Uh. Banana. Banana.
Okay, one more time.
Banana.
Okay, banana. Okay.
Banana. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so banana.
Banana.
Okay, which has that sound? Which among these three letter A's here has
Uh,
the sound?
the second one. Eh?
Okay, very good.
Oh my god.
Okay, so banana. All right.
Banana. Yeah.
Good job. Number 5.
Yep. Allergy.
Mhm.
Oh, teacher, is it
Yes.
short I? Allergy? G?
Allergy.
G?
Okay. What do you think so? The spelling pattern, can you try to identify it? So
Maybe.
when if it ends with Y,
Yeah.
it should be what sound?
Ah, long I.
Okay, it's the long E. It
Long
should
I,
be
long E.
allergy. Okay.
Yep. Allergy.
Okay, very good.
Yeah. uh, alcohol.
Oh yes, soju. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
number 6.
Yep. Ant.
Mhm.
Laugh.
Okay, very good. Number 7.
Crap.
Mhm.
Happy.
I am often happy, like what you said to me a while ago.
Huh?
Very good.
Ah.
Okay, number 8.
Yep. Oh, dad.
Mm. Okay,
Ban.
very good. Number
Oh.
9.
Pam.
Mhm.
Nag.
Okay, and number 10.
Wow. Blanket. A blanket.
Mhm. Okay.
Africa.
Okay, blanket and Africa.
Oh, blanket.
Okay, so which country do you want to visit?
Mm,
If you will be given the chance to visit a country, what would that be?
actually, Japan.
Oh, why Japan?
I've traveled to Japan about 3 or 4 times, and it was good. It was good experience to me. So I wanna visit
Mm.
there again.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So, well, you have visited Japan. How about the Philippines?
Oh no.
No, not yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
I guess you have to visit us also so that you can apply what you learned in English, right?
Oh.
Yeah, you will be speaking to a lot of Filipinos in English.
Oh, maybe I cannot put up with hot weather.
Oh, you have to visit my place. My place is really cool.
Ah, really?
Yeah, you can try to
Oh.
search it in the internet after our class. You can search for Baguio.
Baguio,
Yeah,
Baguio,
Baguio
Baguio
City,
City.
Philippines, and then you can try to search the weather. Yes,
Okay.
we are the coldest
Yeah,
place in Philippines. Oh no, I don't know how to spell my country.
me too.
Okay.
Filipino.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so please do the number 1.
Oh, okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
E, E, A, E,
Okay.
air.
Okay, very good. Number 2.
Yeah. A
Mhm.
madman wearing a hat came to the lab and took a nap.
Okay, you are more than ready. Okay, so maybe you can do your recording right after class, right?
Yes.
Yes. So,
Yay.
well, Crystal, you did a very good job today.
Woo.
Congratulations.
Yep.
And thank you so much for coming to my class. I
Yeah.
really hope to see you again.
Me
It's a
too.
pleasure teaching you, Crystal.
Yeah.
Good night.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.